Here are the three graphics mods that make GTA 4 look more like a modern GTA game. Check my video description for this first mod link, Fusion Fix. Click on this two line on the right top and select links and select download Fusion Fix offline installer. After it start downloading, check my video description for this next mod link. Select the manual download option and select download and select slow download option and it will start downloading. And check my video description for this that mod link. Select this compatibility mod and select compatibility mod installer. After this all download done, select the Fusion Fix offline installer. Select more info and select run anyway option. Select this browse for another folder and navigate to the GTA 4. Select the GTA 4 folder. Before doing this mod, I recommend to take a backup of GTA 4 folder and then select the GTA 4 and select folder option and select the path we selected. After this installation done, close and select folder icon. I look on this day else natural time cycle and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Open this main files. Just close tab here. I click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Just drag and drop these two files inside a game folder. Replace the file in the destination. And after this done, go to downloads folder. Create a new folder. Name it as RTX or anything you like. Just drag and drop this compatibility mod installer and compatibility mod. Just drag and drop these two files inside this folder and open the RTX folder. Double click on the installer and select more info and select run anyway option. Select the yes option and you just need to navigate to the GTA 4 game folder. Select the GTA 4 folder and select open and select the GTA 4.exe and select open. Select this yes option again yes and select OK. Require download and extract. Select this yes option. It's recommended to install the DirectX 2010. Select the yes option and this will navigate to the site. Select the download option and install this DirectX 10. In my case, I already installed done. Once this download done, right click on the downloaded DirectX and select WinRAR and select extract to. After this extract done, open the extracted folder, double click on this DirectX setup and install that. Installation complete. Now you can launch the GTA 4. Before launching the GTA 4, right click on the GTA 4 on the desktop and select open file location. Find command line.txt, double click on it. In available video memory, you need to change this value to ever video memory. To do this, press Ctrl Shift plus Escape key together and go to Performance and select your dedicated GPU. In my case, I have 16 GB, so I can type here 16,000. For example, for 8 GB VRAM, type 8,000. For 6 GB VRAM, type 6,000. And then select File and select Save option. Settings will be saved. Just close tab here, and now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, press the Alt X key to open up this user graphics settings. I'm gonna set this all settings to max. Once you selected web preferred settings, select the Save Changes option. This will save above settings in the config file. Some may only take effect on next launch. So I'm gonna close this game and reopen it. I show you guys before and after comparison. You can easily compare with mod and without mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.